Did you know attending just one open house can turn you into a bidding war ninja? Let me tell you, I've seen buyers go from casually sipping coffee in a kitchen to white knuckling offer sheets by sunset. Last spring, I hosted an open house for a cozy townhouse in Vancouver, and halfway through, two couples started literally circling the backyard like hawks. By Monday, seven offers. Chaos? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. So, what's the deal with open houses anyway? Picture this: you stroll into a home without appointments, pressure, or a realtor breathing down your neck. You're free to poke around, check closet sizes, and eavesdrop on other buyers muttering, "Honey, imagine our sofa here." The listing agent's job? To charm you with facts about the roof's age, the neighborhood's walkability, and why the seller is suddenly moving to Belize. Oh, and you'll definitely sign a sheet with your email. Don't worry, they're not selling it to spam bots. Probably. Here's the thing: open houses thrive on FOMO. When you see six people eyeing the same bedroom nook, your brain goes, wait, is this the one? Should I panic bid now? That's why agents love spring. Cherry blossoms bloom, buyers emerge from hibernation, and competition spikes like a caffeine rush. But don't let the frenzy blind you. Last month, a client almost overbid on a quirky fixer upper that had foundation cracks hidden under a strategically placed rug. Pro tip: lift the rugs. If you're dipping your toes in, bring a checklist. How's the natural light? Does the bathroom have that icky rental apartment vibe? And for goodness sake, ask the agent why the seller's leaving. You'd be shocked how many spill the tea. Like the guy who admitted they're divorcing and he hates the neighbors. Goldmine. But hey, it's not all confetti and confessions. Open houses can attract nosy neighbors looking at you, Carol, tire kickers, and that one guy who's just weirdly into inspecting HVAC systems. Still, they're your best shot at sniffing out a home's vibe without committing. Just remember, Vancouver's average home now costs over $3 million. So maybe skip the latte and the avocado toast first. At the end of the day, open houses are like first dates: awkward small talk, hopeful butterflies, and the nagging fear you'll miss the one. But when you find a place that clicks, magic. If you want to read more about this topic, see the link in my profile. And hey, smash that like button or the algorithm will replace me with a chatbot selling timeshares. You've been warned.